my voice? It turn you on. This ain't no way till you see it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you guys, and this one is from Luvmehair. And y'all already know these Luvmehair wigs, you don't have to glue them on, so you'll be thanking me later. With the wig, I was sent a few things, including this Wig Fix transparent headband, which I will be using today. I also got this pack of stocking cap, which I won't be using just because it's too dark for my skin. This is the wig, y'all. It really doesn't have any parting on it, so this is gonna be like the easiest wig I ever have to put on. It's a short curly wig. Burgundy is the color. I'm not really sure of the length. I think it's about 8 inches, 8 to 10 inches, something like that, but I will definitely leave the information for that in the description box. It came with 2 clips in the sides, 1 in the back, and also an adjustable strap to hold the wig onto your head so it's more secure. The texture of the wig is very soft, and even though it's curly, there is really no tangling, which is amazing. I absolutely love this wig, but I believe you guys are gonna love it more when you see me put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a light colored stocking cap on my head, which I really didn't have to do, but I like to put a stocking cap on before putting any wig on. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Wig Fix transparent headband. That is gonna help with holding the wig in place. As for this, I'm gonna put it right around the edge of the headband, and that's where I'm gonna keep it to prevent the wig from moving around, you know, my edges. Now I'm gonna go right ahead and put the wig on just to see what it looks like and what I need to do to it. So immediately after putting it on, I was already in love with it. I absolutely love the color. I love the way the hair looks on me. I was using my fingers to comb through it, and because of the texture of the hair, I wasn't really sure what to do with it to loosen the curls. So, you know, I was just playing with it with my fingers, see how it looked. But then I decided to spray water on it and add some moisturizer, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So spraying the water on it and then adding the moisturizer to it really did help. I will show you guys in a few what moisturizer I used on it. So to moisturize it, I'm going to be using my Pantene Hydrating Buttercream. I love this stuff. This is such a good moisturizer, especially for your curly wigs. After you spray that water on it, add some of this on it, the hair will definitely come back to life. I hate to tell you guys, but we are only like 3 minutes and 30 seconds into the video, but this is all I had to do to this wig to make it look ready to wear, ready to go. So now I'm gonna go do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Here we are, guys, all done and looking cute. I have to admit, I was not expecting this hair to look this good. I was taking a chance on it, but it came out looking good. I am so in love with it. The length is perfect, and that's what I was really worried about. But you know what? With this short length is less maintenance, and another thing is it's easy to take off and put right back on, so it will stay looking good for a very long time because you don't have to sleep in it, which is an amazing thing if you ask me. Also, because it's curly, you don't have to worry about the shape of it changing. You know, when sometimes when you put your wig away, it folds up and stuff like that. You got to go back over it with your flat iron. You don't have to worry about that with this wig. I'm gonna leave my discount code here for you guys so you could use it when you go on their website to shop their wigs. Again, this wig is from Luvme Hair, and they have so many glueless wigs up there, you will not even know what to choose, I promise. And I love their glueless wigs because not all the time I want to be gluing wigs down on my head. If you have any questions, guys, please leave them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I can. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Imagine the day they see you again. And you are just, well, better.